Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create and assign roles in your server on Discord. So go to server settings if you're an admin or if you're an owner of this server. Go to roles and select create role. Name the role. I'm just going to name mine Queen for instance, and I'm going to customize the color as this pink one. And if you go to permissions, you can enable everything or scroll down and just enable administrator. Then you're going to press manage members, add members, and add in the person you want to add to that. Press add and press save changes. And as you can see, now I have that role. You can remove it as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.